Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 3 and a crochet hook in size 3.75 millimeters. I'll start by making a slip knot. Now I'll chain 6. Now through the last chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now for row 1 I'll chain 3. Then right here through this loop we need to make 18 double crochet. This 3 chain already counts as 1, so we'll make 17 more. Now to complete row 1, right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll chain 1, then right there through that same chain I'll make 2 single crochet. Through his next chain I'll make 2 single crochet. Through his next chain I'll make 2 single crochet. So I'll continue making 2 single crochet through every chain throughout row 2. Now to complete row 2, right here through his first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3, I'll use yarn in different color. Now right here through this chain where we have finished the previous row, I insert a hook, then through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 5. Now we need to make 3 triple treble crochet cluster. This 5 chain already counts as 1, so we'll make 2 more. I'll chain 5. Now I'll skip the next chain. Through a 2nd chain I'll make 3 triple treble crochet cluster. I'll chain 5. Then I'll skip the next chain, and through a 2nd chain I'll make 3 triple treble crochet cluster. chain 5, I'll skip one chain into a second chain, I'll make 3 triple treble crochet cluster. I'll repeat this throughout row 3. So now to complete row 3, I'll chain 5. Then right here to this first triple treble crochet cluster, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now I'll weave these ends in. So this flower measures 5 inches. This is all for today, guys, and I'll see you next time with another video.